next item that is now on sale on Nordstrom is this Celine sunglass. I have the one in white, but Nordstrom have other color that on sale at the moment. And I really like these sunglasses because they look very vintage kind of look, and it has a nice logo on the side of the sunglasses, which I really love it. On Nordstrom website, the sunglass is in the red frame, which is so pretty, and if you wear this with those dresses, white dress or polka dot dress, it looks very cute and vintage kind of look. I really like this style, and especially it is on sale right now, so I think it's just a good deal to go. If you are in Singapore, it may not able to ship to Singapore, but you'll be able to ship to US address. Next items that is on sale on Nordstrom, and I really love this, is this airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I have been using it for a long time. You will see that one is finishing and I already have one spare. I love the small packaging because it's easy to travel with, but on Nordstrom they have a package for, I guess it's the bigger version. I love this setting spray because it leaves a very nice finish and dewy look. Next, I don't own this bag, but I find this so cute. This one is in anti-pink color, which is, I like this one in particular. So for this version, you can unzip the bag, then it becomes a bigger bag for, if you carry a lot of things. So I think it's really worth it. And now it's on promotion. This color is so pretty. They have other two as well, but my favorite, I would say this one, this color anti-pink is my favorite. The price is so good at 200 something. Next is Bobbi Brown moisturizer that I have been using for ages. I like to use this one before my makeup, my foundation, and it made my foundation looks really great, sit on my skin very well. So I've been using this for many years, and now this product is on sale on Nordstrom, and it's come in the package of 2. If you're into makeup, please check this product out and try this product because it's one of the best selling from Bobbi Brown. Next is Mary Jane shoes. Although I didn't buy directly from Nordstrom, but I really into this style recently. I think it's really cute and looks very girly, goes well with any dresses or any types of outfit, including pants outfit. I saw these Mary Jane shoes is on sale on Nordstrom, and this one looked very similar to the one I have. This one is the brand, the Nordstrom itself, and it's come in cream, which is like ivory kind of white, and it's in the nice price that you get the quality of the leather shoes. So I think it's the one of the options that if you like this kind of style of shoes. Next is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, which is my long-time favorite. I have been using this serum for very long, and I think it's great for anti-aging serum if you're looking for a good one. I really love the texture when it sits on my skin as a nighttime skincare routine. Is always one of my favorite, and I cannot live without it. So this one is on sale on Nordstrom as well, but in the bigger packaging, and therefore you get a better deal if you buy more. So this is 115 ml, and I think it's very worth it if you want to spend on a good skincare. Next, I have this curling iron from T3, and I have been using this for many years and it's still working very well. I like to curl my hair, so this is one of my favorite curling iron. So this one is also on sale on Nordstrom. I like that it's come in white and rose gold, and the combination looks really luxury and pretty. And the cost is quite good because it's around 147 Sing dollars. You can say 150 around there, and you have like this kind of result, which is really good. I have been using it for quite some time, and my one is the one in the middle. According to this product listing, this is in 125 inches, so it's not the biggest one, I suppose, but still it is giving a nice curl. If you like to curl your hair, this one is one of the options to go and a good deal to snatch during this sale. Now let's talk about perfume. I recently obsessed with Byredo Mojave Ghost. Although this is a hair perfume, like a hairspray, but what's on sale on Nordstrom is the perfume itself, which is definitely lasts longer than the hair perfume that I'm holding. On Nordstrom is quite a great deal. You get to try a total of 3 scents like Mojave Ghost, Bow the Freak, I'm not sure whether I call it correctly, and last one is the Gypsy Water, which all of them are one of the best seller from Byredo, and it's around 20 ml each if I'm not wrong. So the one I have is in Mojave Ghost, and this one is definitely will last longer than the hair perfume that I have. This is something that in my wish list because I have been wanted to try the perfume for quite some time, and this one is in a great deal. Last but not least, I have new fakes, and this one is in the mini size. I have these many years back, so this is the older version. So this one helps with the facelift. If you like this kind of lifting tool, this one is definitely something for you. Now they have a newer version. Let's take a look at Nordstrom. Now the new version is a lot cuter. You look at it, it comes in the light pink shade. And this is a portable kind of travel version, mini version of new fakes. And it's the same thing. I mean, it works the same way as what I have. It just doesn't have like the function to reduce the small line and like the smile wrinkle. So this is comparison between Trinity Plus, Mini Plus, and Fix. I have Mini Plus and Fix with me, so you can see that it's covered all of what Trinity Plus already have. So this one is on discount, which is so good. So I recommend it to buy during this sale period because it's more worth it, and we get a free serum as well. So if you like this kind of facelift, don't forget to try it out. And that is all on my Nordstrom sale list. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And see you again in the next video. Bye!